Easy on Monday morning. Say on Monday night. Make I explain something to you. Easy bit over the weekend. Easy don't groove. Yes. So Monday, Abido, yes, overflowing. How about there's someone that go for fertility treatment, then you just go and burn your triplet, and then the thing that still remain in your body, you think say that your body is free. Suddenly you go and you come back
another 5.
and you are there and you wonder, oh wow, where from? Add the residue. So that's what it's doing. Easy bit.
Now, welcome on Top the Night Show for today.
Excuse me, let me learn. Excuse me. It's Monday, official Monday. Take permission. This is what they call toxic behavior. This is what toxic behavior. When you interrupt somebody when somebody is making the point made available to the human race.
Because you can bomb 15 like that.
Yes.
I wish you know what I want to talk, but you have no idea.
Yeah.
Now I'm finished. Continue.
Anyone, good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show. My
Fine
name is
boy.
me, Katim, Easy Beat, and Bumi, the HR expert. We don't say that for inside studio today. But to start with, something happened over the weekend. Albert finally go the house of Bumioni. He go fumigate. Now, to start with. Albert, no. Please tell them Albert state.
No. If you see Albert now, Albert is very close to comatose. In the sense that
I don't know how many times he fumigates.
I don't know, man, of spiritual fumigation.
Where go make him lose strength?
Exactly. Whether it's physical or whether it's emotional, I don't know. Albert just come and say, "Oh, my body is paining me," and so in all the body paining him. I don't know.
Ask me now, which guy? For those where they wait, I think those where they fumigate. So if they go tie something for back,
tie for nose.
Tie for nose.
Yes.
Can they do? Tell me, what in concern body pain? For that, no, my lord. My lord.
Yes.
They do to carry the machine.
My keep quiet. Keep quiet.
They will the
no, my lord. Yes. My lord, please tell her to keep quiet. We are in the court of law.
Order in the court. Order in the court.
Now, my lord, this exhibition, exhibit A, I put it to you now. Somebody, my lord, has you not fumigation before?
Yes.
You put it in your back.
Yes.
It's a rubber. You put it there. You carry one to start something. You mean
cockroach, rats.
Okay, where is the hole? Where is this hole? Put it inside. Where is this hole? Put it inside. Where is this hole? Put it inside.
So drive everything.
So drive everything away. Then, when you are done, you now remove the thing, drop it, and go and sit down. Yes. My lord, is that it or not it?
It is. That is right.
My lord, why would somebody now come out and say the body is paining him? What kind of fumigation are you fumigating?
I don't know.
No, but Nedu, you have to carry the kidney.
How do you
at the back?
What kind of fumigation are you fumigating?
Please send us your Twitter message.
Send us your tweet message now.
Because if you are an expert fumigatist, the organ for say go on and perform your duties, but just maybe explain to us on top Twitter at W Night Show. Because
what is it?
I don't know him and all this one we are sitting like here, we are sitting like statues.
You come here, can't deceive us. No, he has a can-do spirit. We don't know they can do. Albert now not work well.
No.
How many days now?
You don't do.
Saturday. What thing you go do?
Yes.
You go that. How many days where you do that thing? Where you do?
Fumigate.
Now what thing she call them? Fumigate.
Yes. Rats with plenty and
where which kind of rats plenty?
And mosquito.
Which kind of rats? And mosquito.
And ants. Hey.
Ninja rat.
No, Albert na star boy.
Star boy.
Anyway, another story when episode 1 discuss.
No.
This one.
Yes. That one we say find the missing puzzle.
This one happened for inside Ebonyi State.
Why in that area this kind of thing?
I don't know. Now, this woman don't die. Her name na Chinyere. She don't die. She dey mortuary now. Chinyere Mbam. Them put on for the internet now. Chinyere Mbam. Na be her name. Now the person when he be say she dey live with when it be her boyfriend. Then two be never married. Will be her boyfriend.
What in kill him? You never thought what in kill him?
Eh?
What in kill him?
Wait now. The guy named na Stephen Mbam. The woman Chinyere Mbam.
Just call the man name for first name.
Chinyere and Stephen.
Yes.
Now she don't die. The family of the girl now come talk say they not go bury her body dey mortuary. Those of una wey there but you not go understand this why they talk. Una know those of una wey know this story make una tweet us or call us to confirm am so that people go think say people no go think say na lie with the lie. The girl don't die. Chinyere don't die now. Her body don't dey for inside the mortuary for everybody.
Cool down there.
They cool down there. They don't talk say they not go bury her until the guy come marry am. Now you say go come dey think am say wetin go make them say make the guy marry her? Maybe the guy she dey live for the guy house. Now all this living lover, as you think they do, you understand? All this living lover, when you say you go get girlfriend for house, when I never marry, but now two they collaborate for inside house. Now the girl, not be saying that the guy kill her more. The guy come out to go bury her. As she they come back.
Burial. Muna know as when they go burial.
As she they come back.
Is a bad thing.
As she they come back from burial, now snake bite her. Now from the snake bite, now she from die. Now tell me, what thing concern this guy and snake bite now?
What thing concern snake bite and who go burial?
Now they don't talk say the guy must marry her.
No, in other words, the man Stephen must marry her dead body.
You know, see you know what I don't the reason now. Sorry, but for those of us with the MC event, I don't begin to imagine now. Say them come make a MC this kind of way. But when he reach dance with dance with the bride. Dance with the bride. No, the last dance of the bride with the father.
Church, they go the
Bishop.
casket. Go there with plenty flower. The groom go on there. She don't
Who
like
will come throw the bouquet? That guy one, then they catch the bouquet.
When they born instead, I don't know. Abante is their culture that side.
I don't know.
Or maybe that one just happen like that.
I don't hear the one I don't hear before. Now the one when they say they go believe say okay now the guy I get half for killing. So for the guy must for them to torment him, you must marry the dead body.
So if you marry the dead body finish, you know if it can't divorce him.
How you want to take the if you marry dead body, she don't die now, you don't die. But that one, if the guy come marry dead body now, they don't do wedding. He may kiss the bride, he can't kiss dead body, God forbid bad thing. He can't go back house. For the hand. Put ring then. He should say the spirit no come disturb him for
exactly.
Now because
tomorrow now, if you go with another sister,
he not go work now. It's not possible.
Because he not go fit divorce the.
He not go fit divorce. Where one go meet dead body divorce? Where one go meet her? For burial ground. I don't know if I they give now this kind of story now. Waiting we hear now.
No, now waiting we hear as we
hear now. We they talk.
So we need to share it with you now. You know, say everything we do together. You and me. All of us.
Toxic behavior for workplace. When they come back, she go continue it. They don't fumigate her. Today on Monday, I will get Bumioni, the HR expert for Inside Studio. I'm going to hand over officially now to Bumioni. Make she continue from where she stopped last week. Toxic traits at workplace. What do you know what it means? Toxic traits.
Explain one kind of, maybe make I give you example. Because
mouth odor.
So why you they ask? Now this kind of things they make
people with their body they smell. Then plenty for our office now. I don't want to call. I go call you get one guy we always call.
No, but that one is many.
Especially plenty with this.
One cloth people.
And some girls. Continue. Sorry, man, no talk. Now me they talk, na me talk. Una know them. Those of una where they una may not be like na me they talk. Over to you.
Last week we talked. We mentioned. I surprised say she even Bumi say that's still there. When we never even talk about.
Yeah, continue. We'll talk
about. First one we go start with today now. Chewing loudly.
Bumi talk one thing. See the one say go talk. Please go there. I told you.
And they will continue.
Sorry.
You don't. Person, wait. Person don't follow you. They talk. Then person don't follow you. They
spray
you. Not even that one. Person don't follow you. They talk. No, that's why I call. The person maybe spit come to crack for your face. They're like, I'm a fine girl.
Then say sorry, Jerry. I continue. Say sorry.
Help you clean out. Say they do sorry.
Hey. So sorry, John. Sorry, John. Hey. That's what I tell you.
And continue.
You go don't freeze there.
Continue, I mean.
Chewing loudly.
Chewing loudly.
You know that some people, you don't go that our country.
Jesus, yes,
Plus play too. You go hear the play. I don't let's do another one.
I know much.
When they now finish, toothpick.
You're gonna play it out. Hey!
Then you do it. No, come on, nab your body. You go put toothpick like this.
And people want to come on the table. Come slap me for face.
It's an remove the looker.
They look at. Hey, you catch me.
People, I don't know you people. I don't know you people.
Another one is adjusting. Yes, no.
Who's that be adjusting?
Adjusting. You know, say girls, they like they do. You are talking to a client.
Yes.
So, like I was saying,
Again, one way girls they always do. With the annoying.
That's.
I don't know why then they do them.
Why?
Maybe now
toxic
style.
behavior.
Now, if follow you they talk. Okay, yes.
Hair. And now it's part of it.
Oh yes.
No, say the hair.
What do they drag?
No, na mama.
Okay. No, they go drag the hair.
Na mama. No, they know they drag the hair. You don't know the exact correct word. The correct word, although you are stroking the hair. You are stroking it.
Continue, Biko.
So you don't
Another
like it.
one is whistling.
But we wait the work for studio. We wait the work for studio. Now we listen to music now, so we go do.
To your colleague, if you they listen to music, when only you they listen to music, you fine.
Okay.
When we say the studio they padded, no be now noise proof. Okay. Nobody go come in there. But like say you day office, even you alone in your office and other people can see you, you now sit and especially those people they do Papa Jeff.
I'm waiting that computer.
You go. Any man
will get experience for this.
You go to say the man they play draft.
And now
how they play draft? I don't win you here today. I don't got crown.
Now whistling they take play that one.
It's true.
Then cracking knuckles and joints.
He bad for work.
He bad.
How do I go bad for workplace? I go there. So no, why you take bad?
Does the other
not be my cracking.
You know, if you go crack your
in your
washroom.
Now, all this way they talk now. Now, some person go come walk, you go there like this.
No. Even that one, I talk this way. Just look.
Continue.
Then
I beg our phone lines they open.
Pointing at people.
I beg our phone line they open now. Make I begin the class. Which I be pointing at people saying about thing.
Like say, okay, me and Katim they talk now. Hey, Katim, you see that?
Okay.
If I want make you see something now, see that thing where you see him. Not bad thing.
No, okay. No. So okay, wait. So maybe the hand movement, you know, they're all right. So if we want them now, yeah, see that thing.
That one too is worse.
As you say hand is bad, so make you see.
I always say, hey, so that guy will do talk. See him for front. Now don't put hand for nose. 8 o'clock, you're 6 o'clock, now him.
See my brother, which kind of 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, go they calculate the mathematics for my guy.
Oh, yeah, see him.
Then gulping water loudly. Or gargling.
I don't know.
But that person not go do anything with that.
No, now how you go drink water?
They want drink water. It not be your fault. Now some people they are Adam's apple. And if they gonna drink water, they gloop, gloop. And if you don't get thirsty from traffic, you just enter inside office. You want
they smell joy.
They smell joy. You want take the next
with map here.
Then they go say, that paper.
Maybe people come.
I beg our phone number there on top of TV. When I go be in the call us now to take for chook mouth on top of this one episode we discuss toxic behavior for where you they work. From Lagos, good evening.
Nedu, how are you?
My brother, I am fine. How is you?
And wow, you did fine today.
I fine today.
You look so fine.
My brother, na man you be, say you know.
Today why you know wear cap?
I know. Why not wear cap?
I know.
With this cloth.
With this cloth?
Anna. See me here.
That him they greet you.
Me self would answer you.
Mumi oni bawo ni.
Moa.
Ile nko.
Adupe.
Albert nko.
Okay.
If I ask her what of Albert? You know ask her Albert nko.
I don't ask her now. You know answer me.
Okay. How far? What you get to talk for the matter of this evening?
How far? I don't ask her now.
Okay.
Abi Bumi je mo be lo mo ni bawo ni.
Mo ni dada ni.
De lo da.
Eku àtijọ́ ṣe dáadáa ni o.
Wo padà te wo wa jo e o ko le wo wale ni.
Kò ṣohun.
Okay o. Le o.
Bye bye Somali.
Okay, Nedu, bye bye.
Gamali 20. Bye bye. Osas from Bogu. Good evening.
Traits be that.
Good evening.
My brother, how is you?
I'm cool, and you?
Well, we do. Osas took mouth for this evening talk. Toxic behavior.
Bumi?
Yes?
Bumi?
My?
That guy not do plumber work, join the fumigation.
Osas, God bless your father. God bless you. The guy do plumber work.
If you do plumber work, join him. Let's make way to pay now.
Osas, you know where they pay them? Now in West.
No plumber now. No say. Now where they do plumber work?
Oh yeah, Osas, we dey hear you. Talk your talk.
Go, Bumi want to tell us now, say, if you come to the office now, you can become deaf and dumb.
My brother!
So, you have to do your system. You have to do anything.
You know, let me say, you all come together like this for office. Who is that?
Wow.
If you want to keep quiet.
Who is in the corner? Deaf and dumb man.
Now, for office now, I'll sing.
You say?
I said, you're going to crack your hands now and I'll sing.
Now, sing, no.
No, be sin, na toxic behavior.
And a toxic behavior for office.
Yes, now.
Go crack them for your living room.
Okay, I don't hear.
Or you go meeting now.
Oh, wait, you dey crack your hand for office?
Me? If I dare operate, I crack my hand.
Stop to the crack them, oh?
Osas, stop him.
I stay alone now. Sure, I stay alone. I stay alone.
All right, Osas, thank you very much. I'm going to take another call. Thank you. Akalaka, good evening. Hello? Hello? Aya, call us back. Thank you very much. Put me over to you.
Hey. Then chewing gum.
Chewing gum loudly is bad. If you chewing gum,
men they chew that thing. They make
even chewing gum normally.
Yes, if you see.
What if person mouth in breath not that fresh?
Wait,
Legit has a chewing gum.
Especially when you don't go mama amala in the corner.
Wait, see. Even health reasons. When you finish, like you eat amala, eat eba, eat any food. Okay. You supposed chew. Make your food they digest very well. Hey, you get some dental floss where you go use after you finish your food. Then you get some maybe like
peppermint.
Where if you just hide. For one, not be say you go put gum. You dey talk to your supervisor. You day meeting, conference room. Now only you.
No, if you can't do one like that, it's very bad.
If not for conference meeting, yes, I agree. It's bad.
Now they hide the chewing gum now.
What thing you they do for your office? Now you go outside.
Those kind of behavior.
You don't forget yourself.
Yes, those kind of behavior, no, they hide. But if you hide the chewing gum inside your heart, the same way you hide peppermint.
But when the chewing gum they inside your mouth, you don't go no as you go just take your tongue, bring and go on.
Anyway, from Lagos, good evening. I did, my brother. How is you, Christian?
Are you with me?
I am with you, one. I am with you.
I don't believe you there. I enjoy the program.
My brother, thank you.
I'm in Mamba, Christian. I don't hear.
You don't do. Oh, yeah, me.
Oh, yeah, me. I don't tell me. I'm going to I am going to me.
Yes, boss.
Respect man, what's up now?
Hi, Baba, good evening. How about you?
I see you on the way, man.
Thank you, Baba.
I just enjoy the program.
Thank you very much, Christian. Good night. Oh.
All right now.
Thank you.
You like they didn't know your DNA.
Hello from Niger. Good evening. Now then get us now. We have no choice. Good.
Hello.
You the man?
Good evening, Katia and Nedu.
Good evening,
Easy video.
How are they?
We there fine. How is you?
No be Ada. Who go write Ada for my
My
name?
brother, Bala. That's a toxic behavior.
that kind thing I did. That kind thing I describe them as a miasma of a duplicate of hypothesis that leads in a paralytic crinkum crankum.
Okay.
That's the name of that mistake. DJ Exhibit at the head.
Aye, boss. Aye, Baba.
Nedu.
Sir?
It is a crinkum crankum. Now,
Yeah.
greet one greet to this evening with that.
Okay, thank you.
Crinkum, crankum.
My brother, you need Jesus.
Yeah, crinkle.
The world is coming to an end. Repent.
This is called can cause a higgy haga.
From the crinkle.
I beg, continue.
Pestilential aqua.
Cause a higgy haga.
From Abuja, good evening.
Good evening. Hello?
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Hey, good evening. How is you?
I'm fine. My sisters, good evening.
Good evening.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you don't chop?
I'm Nena from Abuja.
Oh! Nena, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing? Hope say you don't talk to Pastor Yain.
I sent that they have not spoken to me. Let's leave that one and talk of today on.
Ungwa will hear you,
This
Nena.
office thing, all these men that when they remove their shit, it will be smelling. They
Hey!
Thank you.
because he used to disturb us too much. Because
Thank
some
you.
offices are too compacted.
Thank you,
And
Nina.
another thing is the issue of the person that they want to wait to marry on the death. He's teaching lesson for people not to just be living and be marrying and be burning without going home to. That lady is a
property.
human being. Why are they living together without even going
Yeah.
to settle the family that suffered for them?
Yeah.
When we are talking of all these things, we also learn lesson from it. Because
Exactly.
when you talk the negative side, talk the
Look at the
positive
side,
For
positive.
a woman to born a child, and you come out of the township and start living with a man without going to
Any
respect
rights.
them. Because most of you that is Igbo and Igbo too, if they didn't settle the family, the mothers, they used to communicate them from family, they used to insult them. And you will suffer and suffer at the end. You just go to the township and start living with a man, and before you know it, you die.
Okay.
So I'm sure that is why they're doing all those things.
All right. No, Wala. Nena, thank you very much. Oh. Ma?
Let me use it and talk to you.
Okay.
This one the mama. If actually it does a horn because him and mama without it.
Okay, thank you.
If your wife don't like it, fine. But if she doesn't like it, to reduce it because it makes you look a little bit older, but you're not.
Thank you for adding that. Thank you.
You understand me?
I feel you.
From Akwa Ibom.
That's it.
Just say,
I don't know her name.
Katim.
Gati. I love you.
oh, I love you too.
But the person in question is your brother.
I need to.
No.
God bless you.
No. Na Ebonyi State.
Hey, no.
Katim not be Ebonyi.
You don't understand that thing.
I don't want to talk.
I know. You don't talk. I understand. My sister.
Nena, we understand.
I understand.
The Friday issue is from your side.
I know.
We know.
So it's not even good.
Yes.
I love you people.
I know.
we love you.
But toxic behavior.
Please, I want you to emphasize on that issue of people living together without even going to settle the family. At least go and show reduce the pain from the parents because they used to insult them at home.
Okay.
Not that they're going to spend all your money at home. They let them just go and show that they are going to live together in case of future. Because even the children that are producing out of that wedlock, they don't have respect.
I agree.
When they grow, they don't have respect.
I agree with you,
that's
Nena.
my own advice to our ladies. They should not just because of love for them. Because at the event, if anything happened to her, or they quarrel or something, the man will deny. And when the children grow up, if it is the man that dies, these children doesn't have any inheritance in the man's place because they will deny them and take everything out of the woman and she'll start suffering. The property, the parents and the brothers will come and share it because she didn't do any legal thing.
Yeah.
I'm talking to Nigerian ladies. Please, they should help us and respect themselves. If a man loves you, that time that the love is chatting, let them go home and even do the introduction and show the families that they are living together. If the man doesn't have, let the lady help her a little and cover that shame from her own father and mother that suffered for her. God bless you people.
Thank you, Nana.
Thank you.
That's a topic for another day. Anyway, in case you just join us on Top the Night Show, we will discuss now Ministry Monday. We will discuss matter for office. All those behaviors where people they behave when if office when they be say not pure at all. We call them toxic behavior.
Yes.
From Port Harcourt, good evening.
Good evening.
Evening, my brother. How is you, Peaceful Peter?
Hey,
my brother, how is you? Are you with him?
There with you.
Oh, are you for the Peaceful Peter?
Hey, name your none.
Yeah. I don't have any kind of fine name. Yeah. My member.
Thank you. Wait till me, I want to talk about this the behavior in the
office.
The behavior where people they behave for office. Like when at the for my own office, the way girls and they behave here, you just be like everybody come to market themselves. Everybody come there to market themselves. Maybe some of them wear just skirts, some of them wear
my brother with the siam for here too.
All those things. It's not that good for women. In short, if you really get responsible as a woman, you need to keep yourself, not to sell yourself in the office with your boss.
Okay.
It's bad now. Some of them too softy.
Peter, you don't marry?
Me? No.
You get girlfriend?
You say?
You get girlfriend?
What I get?
Girlfriend.
Why now? I know that I will born again.
My brother, your problem plenty. You be like your girlfriend leave you, follow you in your girl for office and make you repent.
No, it not be that one. If you able to see, any responsible girl you know go do that thing for office.
Which thing?
Any person.
Which thing?
That thing where they do for
which thing?
Which thing? No,
I don't know.
They do?
I don't know.
You don't know anything.
My brother, I don't know.
That's the way you do with that girl that night.
Hey! Which girl?
The way you go sit down now, where the girl are going to carry breast, the pamper you.
That one acting now. We were acting. Now acting.
Acting what? You be filmmaker.
Anyway, Peaceful Peter, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good night.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.